Hey y'all, this is Caroline, and today we are going to be learning how to make some Bitmoji stickers that you can use in your classroom to put on assignments or even in virtual learning if you're mailing letters. And we're also going to learn how to change the icons on your desktop folders so they don't look like a little folder. You can make them cuter, okay? So let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is download the Bitmoji extension for Chrome and log into your Bitmoji. And if you don't have one, you should definitely make a Bitmoji first. Next, click their little icon, and you're going to search for emojis. I'm going to come over to Happy Birthday. I'm going to be able to put on their birthdays before we go back to the classroom, or even use them when they are in the classroom. I kind of like this one. You're going to use it. I'm actually going to save the image because I'm putting it into a slide. And I'm going to leave it to go to my desktop just so I can find it later. Okay, you can see that it's downloading down here. The next thing I'm going to do is go to avery.com/templates. I'm using the Avery stickers. So when you're using their product, you need to get their template for it. I actually have the square labels. And then it'll kind of show you the different options. You can see the template number. I think mine is the 22805. Okay, so you'll click into that. And you can download it into Adobe Photoshop, Pages. I put it into a Word. Okay, I've already downloaded it. So it'll come out like this when you open it. The next thing you're going to do is, I've got the Hi Bitmoji, so I'll just show you with that one, is you really just draw here. I've got that one, and let me drop in a few more. So you'll keep doing this. I like to have, like I said, a couple extra until I'm ready. So eventually you're going to have them turn out like this. Okay, and then all you will do is load the Avery sticker sheet into your printer, and it will feed and print this onto your stickers. And that's how you make Bitmoji stickers. All right, so the next thing I'm going to teach you is how to do little change your icon folders. So not all of us love the blue folder. If you do, I mean, keep it. But I kind of will alternate switching it to different icons. And previously I've had a green background, so that's why mine are all green now. But I'll go ahead and show you how to change it. You're going to hit Get Info. Sorry if I went too fast. You're going to right click on the folder, hit Get Info, and then you'll see this pop up. I click that, and all I do is open this PNG up. Make sure you save it as a PNG because that will be no background. This is what I want. I made it. And then I'm going to Command Copy and then hit this blue folder, Command Paste. And now my logo is changed. So now you can see that I have a green icon to join my other green icons over there. Okay, I hope this helps. I love Bitmoji anything, and the stickers are really fun, and the kids get a kick out of it, seeing your face on a sticker. So yeah, I hope this really helps, and please follow me on Caroline's Classroom on Instagram and tag me in the photos of your Bitmoji stickers and of your icons. Thanks. Bye.